since SSX was not the vibe, I decided we'll go back to Cosmic Suika Smashin' stuff. With lo-fi, I guess. Open existing simulation. My Sims. Cosmic Suika. There we go. Okay. Oh yes, nice tune too. Okay. Just as a reminder, I have a Ring of Earths, apparently. We are smashing stuff into planets with the hope that they eventually ignite. So let's try to find something similar. 0.1 Jupiter, 6 Earths. You know, now that I've got them, let's crash a very lumpy Vulcan at it. And to Coot the other direction. Let's see if that goes anywhere. It is outgassing, and we don't like outgassing. And it's cooling. Here comes Vulcan. And to Coot. Gain mass and also hydrogen. We're gaining mass, which is good, but it's mostly a rocky planet. You know what? This music, not doing it. I want something with a little more zoom. There we go. Do we have a tiny gas non-giant? I guess Venus is kind of a non-giant that's very gaseous. Let's throw a bunch of Venuses at it. Veni? Okay. What is your mass? Tell me! I have a feeling this is gonna be too big. 51 Pegasus B? Oh yeah, that's gonna eat it up. Let's save so that we can bring it back if we need to. You are coming, 51 Pegasus B, aren't you? It is, it's just coming slowly. As Nice Tune cools down. I feel like I want to speed things up a little. Let's double that. There we go. Oh, we got some little zoopies around the planet. Around Nice Tune, which is about to get obliterated, swallowed, devoured whole by 51 Pegasus B. Schmlorp. Okay, now we gotta select 51 Pegasus B. Okay. That didn't completely go horribly. Nice. Let's launch that at it. That's probably gonna be way too big. Oh, hey. We love launching hot Jupiters at each other. Let's launch... Yeah, let's launch a few hot Jupiters all at once. I only have 3 of them, but that's fine. You're coming, right? They're taking a while, but they're on their way. Honestly, that's really pretty. Just that swirl. Any minute now. Where's our other... Kepler and Pegasus are on their way. They're just taking a hot minute. Pun intended. It's a smaller planet than I thought it was. Yeah, that's a hot Earth. That's not a hot Jupiter. However... They're coming. Are they coming? There's not a whole lot of gravitational pull. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. Billiards it. Ciao. Okay. There we go. So, you know, those two are probably going to crash, and together they will come towards our mega planet. That's how momentum works. They're gonna do a little dance? No! Motion. Let's see. No, I'm gonna have an orbit. Click that auto orbit button. Yeah. This way, when this gets smashed with stuff. Oh no, our tiny Kepler has exploded. Okay, I'm gonna do something a little different. And I'm gonna put it between the two. No, not there between the two. Here between the two. No, not there between the two. Here between the two. Nope. Okay, well, I'm sure they'll conglomerate. Oh. Or maybe they'll just leave. Goodbye. It's nice knowing you. Okay. Oh, because I put it still instead of... Okay, fine. Here's what I'll do. Boink! Like that. This is our main Peggy, I think. I think that's our main Peggy. Which one has a different composition? Yeah, this one. Oh, oh no, they're leaving. Oh no. Okay. Peggy. I can't tell if they're leaving or if they're orbiting. I think I'm the one orbiting. Okay, well, maybe we launch them from a closer distance then. Boop. Oh, I forgot to pause it before I did that. Ha ha ha. Boop. 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 This should get us a lot more hydrogen. Boop. 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 Is if you're mostly hydrogen? Yeah, looks like you're mostly hydrogen. Okay, well. It's our new Peggy. Slurp, derp, 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 slurp. Oh, they ran away. Okay. We're not quite to a Jupiter yet. Let's add... Where did our tooltips go? We used to have tooltips for like size and stuff. Fine, we put a Neptune. Neptune. Gosh darn these Nepo babies. which way's the front? This way's the front. Okay, Peggy. Slurp-a-derp-derp-derp. That cleaned up things. We're about half a Jupiter now. Look. Select object. Oh, that's so many Earths. So many Earths. Where's Peggy? I don't see Peggy on the list. Oh, there's Peggy. Select Peggy. Relative to Peggy. Let's change this to moon radius. 5 moon radii. Okay, maybe 10 moon radii. You. Okay. Hey, that works. Peggy. There. This I believe is Peggy. Actually, you way up here relative to Peggy. Bring some of these in closer. Okay, now we watch Peggy. Hey, no, don't run away. You're supposed to be closer to Peggy. Join the Peggy sphere. Cult of Peggy. Okay, we got one of them. Why are they leaving? Oh, okay. We got some gravity happening. Good. Yeah. Okay. You still need to come, though. Okay. Slurp. Okay. 2 Jupiters worth. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna save Peggy. Peggy. Okay, Peggy. Let's see, it's 2 Jupiters in both, roughly in both mass and radius. So that means we can throw Saturn at it. Boop. Oh, a ringless Saturn. Throw a bunch of Saturns at Peggy. Bunch of ringless Saturns at Peggy. Actually, let's give all the Saturns their rings. Saturn. Saturn? Oh, it not working. Okay. Saturn. Saturn? Saturn clouds? Saturn clouds? Saturn. Oh, that's why. Ah! Because I wasn't clicking the right button. Let's add rings to all our Saturns here. That way we know it's Saturn, I guess. Although I do kind of like the look of the ring with Saturn. Mix and match a planet. Oh, my poor GPU. It does not know what to do about this. So many ringies. Oh no. Oh, that's too many particulates for my computer. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Now that most of the rings have gone bye-bye. Oh, that looks cool. Why is there... Oh, it's flashing white because of all the hits. Okay. I need to figure out if we can import our own objects because I want a planet-sized disco ball. Or a moon-sized disco ball at least. Our composition. What are we mostly now? We are mostly an ammonia planet. Wait. Nope, we're a mostly hydrogen planet. Excellent. We're well on our way to starhood. Those look like they're actually properly orbiting rather than crashing. Interesting. Okay, let's get some of these out here close. All of these other Earths. Motion. Relative to Peggy. Distance. 0.1. 0.1. 1. Peggy. 1.1. 0.5. Distance to Peggy. Oh. Oh, okay, that's fine. Can I multiple pick? Bring them closer? Explode them if I wanted. Oh, that one's pretty close. Relative to Peggy. Relative to Peggy. Was this Crisis on Infinite Earths? Peggy. They're all so tiny now. Oop, oop, oop. Okay, I don't want them inside because that could mess things up. Not orbital parent, Peggy. Get some of these Keplers back. Just to clean up the star field a little. clean up some space. Oops, I think that one's already inside. It's fine. Let's get an earth. Let's do Peggy. Okay. What else is down there? Oh, way down there, Uranus. Okay. Boop, boop. Boop. Have that again. Good. Boop, 8. Bring it to Peggy. Doop, doop. Bring it to Peggy. So many Earths. Because I did a ring of Earths. Okay, we'll do that for now. And watch them all leave again. Well, most of them. Some are still headed this way. Yeah, gravity! Earth's 2 and 12, okay. I would not want to live on Earth 2 right now. It is glowing. Yes, completely melted. We don't want to live on Earth 2 right now. There's 0% chance of life. Yep, that tracks. Okay, get your butt back here. Doop. Doop. And we'll cut you a little bit too. Get your booties back here. I know it's because I have a speed thing going on, but Earth 3. Doop. Okay. There we go. Gravity. Peggy is reigning supreme. Okay. Except for this Earth. He's going, nope. I don't want any part of this. Okay, and we got a couple Earths here. Not sure I'd call this a medium tempo song. Twitch is telling me there's copyrighted music on my stream. What? I very specifically made copyright-free playlists. Okay. You a lot closer. Piggy. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. like, sure, my Clone Hero ones, yeah, but like... this one and my SSX one and my Trek one? Like, even YouTube isn't flagging them. Or it's going, yes, they're copyright, but this doesn't affect your video. Oh, that's just too many earths. I don't want to bother. Boop. Oh, we've still got some ring particles headed in. Actually, while that slurps up ring particles, let me check the weather. Because we're supposed to get stuff coming through. Oh, it already passed. Is it windy outside yet? Not really. Oh, here comes an Earth. Oh. There it goes. There goes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Earth 9. Peggy appears to be cooling off a little. Still too hot to be on, though. Oop, here's Kepler, finally. Sploot! Yeah, that Pegasus way up there. Let's get closer. Till the gravity, it cannot escape. There we go. Let's get some of them ring particles in. Okay, let's smash a couple more Jupiters at it. And let's do random gas giant button. Because I think it just makes them up. No, we're launching them at Peggy. Okay, fine. Some of those are just gonna be a little late to the party. Oh no, we lost Peggy! Like, altogether lost Peggy. It's fine. We can continue with Vertasina. I think it ate Peggy. It's fine. Or it ate what was left of Peggy anyway. Should have saved it before we got all those gas giants. Oh well. I think Urtasina's about to go poof too. Oh. So go ahead and save that. Ugh, wrong button. Save it. No, okay. Orapax has one hot spot. Earther's gonna get sucked in a minute. Oh, Earth 9 has finally decided it's had enough of this nonsense. Too bad, buddy. You can't escape. You know what? Let's bring some of these Earths closer now. Because we want to steal their water. Boop, boop, boop. That is a big fragment, actually. I'm going to save it as... So that's bigger than an Earth. So we want to save that for planet use. Actually, I am going to bring down the temperature. Yeah. I don't care about the core temp right now. That's a cool little, not technically a planet. I say a little. Lero Ladi. Why? I don't know. Where do you know the Earth has a mass of 1 Earth and a radius of 1 Earth? It looks like we cleaned up most of those sides. Oh, it froze. It's been out here for a hot minute. It looks like we have more than a quadrant. And our moons. our fun little rock planet disappeared. That's fine. We're taking in some of this gas. What is that, water gas? Yeah, it looks like mostly water, hydrogen, and helium. Cool. Let's absorb the clouds. It's a tennis ball planet. Okay. What? I congealed it into a little planet. Oh my goodness. You can do that? That's awesome. You can congeal the clouds into planets. Actually, how big is this? Oh, it's a tiny, tiny Earth. A tiny, tiny moon. If we get something that's close to an Earth, I'll save it. Oh, that's a pretty one. You know, I'll save that one. It's not very dense, but I like it. It's got a nice gradient on it. Save. Holden. As in sunset. Really cool that you can just click to turn clouds into planets. Okay. Ocean. Let's get you really close. Tube, tube. Tube. We don't need a Saturn ring particle. I want the glowy fog. Fragment. Tube. Tube. There we go. You know what could be fun? exploding some stars to make some nice nebulae, and then making planets out of them. Because that's kind of how it works. Oh, that's a background star. Okay. Oi, what do you think you're doing? Get your booty back here. Where are those going? Oh. Doop doop doop. A zigzag orbit. Doop doop. Doop. Okay. Doop. Can't adjust where the rock fragments go? Okay.
Fingers stained with blood. Been grasping all day. Losing my touch with reality.
Oh, come on, Earth.
Driving all day. Searching all night. Can't seem to focus this double sight.
That is a destructively elliptical orbit, my goodness.
Sworn in a sight. Finding my way back to life.
One specific frequency.
It is pretty much a water ball. Ooh. You know, I'm gonna make it a little bit of a super Earth, and then save it. So that's a cool planet. Water ball.
Release me, set me free. Release me, set me free. So lost, so torn, can't help, need more. So lost, so torn, oh.
This is how you get your fictional planets, guys. Yeah, the moon's breaking up. They're turning into rings? They kinda are. But also kinda not. Okay. Let's add some more random gas giants. Boop. 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 And boop. You might be about to get swallowed, so... Yes. Okay, they run away. The likes a runaway gas giant. Stabilize temp. Oh, he's just a rock. So what happens if I now click the convert from... Oh. Interesting. Surface. Settle liquid. Stabilize temp. Stabilize pressure. Nah. Oh, hang on, that is a big fragment, isn't it? It's a big boy. Rocky boy. That is a very tight orbit. Oh yeah, it's only 72,000 kilometers. That's a tiny, tiny orbit. Orbital period 6 hours? Ooh wee. And it's crashing. Oh. It's getting broken apart, Captain. Let's congeal some clouds. Are you made of? You a rocky or are you a gaseous? Looks like you were wet. Interesting. Does not quite meet my standards for turning into a planet. That's not horrible, though. Kind of a lame look, but... It's a flat boy! I'm gonna make it a big flat boy. It's no longer flat though. Oh well. Okay, that's still flying into it. That moon is gonna get eaten soon. This orbit is like stupidly elliptical. See, that's it at its closest. What is the distance? 4,000 kilometers. Well, 4,800. Yeah, that thing's not doing. Yeah. Now its orbital period is only 5 hours too. What is down here that's gotta... Ah. Doop, doop. You can't get away from me that easily. Boop. Ooh, 0.2 of an Earth. What are you made of? Ah. Okay, let's... Triplets mass. Make its temperature fairly habitable. Rogif. I don't know why. Doesn't really have a rocky surface, but it's a water world. Okay, now we smash it. Anything else? With an orbit that's way ahead?
To a place afar, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun.
Oh, it's another super Earth. Well, we'll save you. Bar Earth. What are you made of? Schloopa Earth. Mostly iron silicate.
I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just
Get back here.
begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lead there, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lead there, will you come?
Boop.
Follow,
Boop boop.
so if I
Boop boop.
there, will you come? So if I lead there, will you come?
Okay.
So if I lead there, will you come? The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone.
I think we just lost mass.
Waves have just begun.
Oh, it turned into clouds.
Water is calling, the night is young. So if I lead there,
It's fine.
come.
Boop boop. 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 Oh, it's baby. Boop. Boop boop. And that still says it's flying into it. Good. Boop boop. It's flying by it. Oi. How is that hyper-elliptical mood still hanging on? Anyway. Boop. Let's launch some more gas giants its way. What? Okay. Okay. Now it's time to save you again. As you might be about to get deleted. Your moon is, but we already saved that, so... Oh no, we're losing mass again. Oi! Get back here. And halt its motion. Halt your motion. We focus on Articina again. Alt motion and get very much closer, please. Alt motion and get very much closer. Very much closer. Alt. Horda? You randomly generated a planet for the Horda to live. Is it made of silicon? Has a very small chance of life. I'll save you. What happens if I stabilize the temperature? Okay. Motion. Distance. You cannot escape, Articina. I mean, you maybe can, but I won't let you. No. Got a bunch of globs broken off. We're still 7 Jupiters? We're roughly 7 Jupiters still. Oh, yeah, you're a super Earth. What are you made of? Doesn't matter, I'll save you. If it's above a 10th Earth size from a cloud, I'll save it. Let's see, what song is this? Raisin. Zorino. I know that's not strictly speaking an anagram, but... Okay, there's another biggie Earth. Schlibbit. Derp. Zapper. Okay. Not the letters I meant to type, but it works. Oh, you're another bigger than Earth too. Ah! Not what I wanted. Ugh! There we go. Swoota! I don't know, I'm just pushing random letters now. Blah. Okay. It's not a big one, it's just an in the way one. What about you? Oh, you're not a big one, you're just an in the way one. Tot tot tot. That's fine. Okay. Isn't quite in the spirit of Cosmic Suika, but the idea is I'm supposed to be smashing stuff of similar masses. Okay, it's flying into. Boop. 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 No. But I am entertained. Oh, you just barely make it into the save it. Okay. That's almost pronounceable. Pronounceable. Okay. Let's smash an actual Jupiter. And a Saturn. And a Uranus. And a Neptune. And a 51 Pegasus B. Neptune, he's getting away! Ocean. Super tight orbit. Oh, you're a 10 Earth fragment. Okay, well, some of those are numbers. 3. Okay, go. What is your composition? Rocky boy. Rocky wet boy. Helium and hydrogen. Interesting. That almost sounds livable. Actually, what's our stats? Ah, there's a small chance of life. Very small. But also, you need to come closer. Come a little bit closer, you're my kind of moon. Oh, it's a cluster. I thought it was one big moon. When I say moon, we're looking at something the size of Jupiter, but much more massive. Random gas giant. Again. Some more gas giants. Ooh. Why am I not centered? Let's get centered. Okay. This is either going to completely obliterate it, or we're going to get a much needed boost. Let's add some actual Jupiters. Some Neptunes for color. Not that it matters. Oh yeah. Something's about to happen here. Oh god, I made the meme. See, and this is why I saved it. Nasi. Okay. Shoid. Should make a solar system out of smash cloud planets. Oh, that's almost an Earth. We save that one. Oh. Okay, well that we can't pronounce. Ifjadif. So we add some vowels. Okay. Renasi has graduated to being the parent now. you, Cloud, need to be a planet. Because you are in my way. Plus, it's more fun to watch the planets crash than the clouds crash. Oh, Fweg. Okay. That's a cool looking planet. I'm gonna have to make you Earth-sized. You lost a lot of your cool by doing that. Oh. But, oh, I'll save it. Where's the button? There it is. Correct. I don't know, man. Okay. Now let's do something fun. And hit up all our cloud planets, including Horta, because that was just too funny. Offwig. Peggy. Oops. How is Peggy big? Goof. Rocky Boy. Schlibbit. Shoid. Slooperf. Zoidon. Zoldon, sorry. Swuta. Lock. Zapper. Zerino. Waterball. Like, it's so funny that I named a planet Waterball. Okay. We're gonna save Renasi since it's about to get eaten by Peggy. Peggy came back with a vengeance. Yeah. Peggy returning. Natibe needs to come closer. Oop. What? Uh-oh. I don't know where it went. Peggy. Select. Boop. There it is. You know what? You I can just bring closer to there. Cause boop. They'll eventually get to Peggy. Boop. Ah. You got a super Jupiter. Well, a micro Jupiter. A super Earth micro Jupiter. With a not indecent balance. Boop. Yee. Oh no. Yee. Asdio. Okay. I think I saved that one already. It's fine. Liz. Okay.
When I see you there, and my heart goes blind.
Mint, come closer. Come closer and stop moving. Come closer and stop moving. Really? Oh, because it's going to fragment, not Peggy. Are ya coming? Or are ya being a moon? See, did Peggy lose any mass? Oh yeah, we lost heckin' mass. But we've gained radius. Okay. We need to add some more mass. We need to add a lot of mass. I had a 40 Iridani bee. Yeah. Let's add some dwarf stars. Which I made by just superheating a gas giant planet, so... because it kept vaporizing. Okay. And let's add some nice tunes. Peggy's about to not know what hit her. Still don't have a Peggy yet, Peggy. This one might crash the entire experiment, so... let's find out. Oh! Oh! Yep, it sure did! Got a supernova. And it's still rocking. Oh no. Type 1A supernova. So at least there's that. Oh, there's like 5 supernovae stacked. Oh no! Peggy Nova. I need to target the purple one. Oh! Oh no! Purple Nova. Oh no! Okay. Okay then. This is why I saved Peggy. Let's put Peggy right here. And focus on Peggy. I can't see what's going on with Peggy. Oh, she's way out here now. Okay, that is not where I wanted to put her. I wanted to put her in the supernova. Hmm. Supernovae were definitely not the plan. I kind of expected something like that might happen. But Peggy and 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 Peggy. Okay, that one's too far.
Let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all. Yeah, let's think about what we love and not what we hate.
This is about to get messy.
She is thinking about what could happen to her right now. I wonder what she is afraid of.
Slurp. Oh.
Touching grass, feeling less. I think I need a break.
Hey, we got a good Jupiter mass now.
But it makes no sense.
This Peggy needs to come to Big Peggy. I do not know which of these is Big Peggy.
I hate it when she cries, 'cause I'm just really bad with my emotions. Yeah, I was mad at the start. Chaos in my heart.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all. Yeah. Let's think about what we
Boop.
love and not what we hate at all. She is thinking
That's good enough.
what could happen to her right now. I wonder what she is afraid of.
Slurp. Okay. How's our mass and everything? Okay. We're super Jupiter. So here's what we gonna do. We gonna grab some of the stuff and we gonna bring it to Peggy. I do not know where is Peggy right now. Peggy? Fly to Peggy. Okay. Oh, it's a tiny baby fragment. I was scared there for a second. Halt motion. suck up some of this cosmic detritus. We're gonna leave the stars alone for now. Earth 25. Oh. One of the Earths almost survived. And then it very rapidly did not. Nice 2-2. Peggy. Halt motion. Earth 1, which is a little hot. And also not much of an Earth anymore. Just a little hot there. Alt motion. Relative to Peggy. Boop 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 boop. Okay. Fragment. How big are you? Oh, tiny. Motion. Not much of an asteroid anymore. How big are you? Also tiny. Boop 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 boop. Halt motion. Other nice tune too. Relative to Peggy. Boop 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 boop. Halt motion. Let's do 3 rows of them at a time. Peggy. Come closer. Come closer. Relative to Peggy. Relative to Peggy. We're gonna leave the supernovas doing their thing way over there. There we go. Relative to Peggy. Boop 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 boop. Alt motion. An asteroid. Alt motion. We go back to Peggy, who has her own little cloud of dust. And oh, hey, actually, we can add that to our list. Fear, degradated. I guess. You another Earthlink one? Okay. Let's watch Peggy's mass and radius. She slurps up some new friends. Slurp. That affected almost nothing. Oi! Get back here, fragment. That is a whack thing to do. But that's fine, because we've got even more. Planet flying by nice tune 2? No, planet eating nice tune 2. Okay. I'm just gonna leave those alone for now. And we are going to launch 3. Let's launch some more Peggies. Boop, 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 boop. At this rate, we're gonna have an entire Peggy system. Boop, boop, boop. And I can't say I mind that. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. Peggy 3. Okay. We're still losing mass and radius. Okay, this needs to get its butt back over here. Please. Sure. Alt motion. I'm sorry. I don't know where it went. Okay. Doop. Doop. Alt motion. So gravity will do its thing. No? Doot, doot. Now kiss. No, I'll halt your motion too. There we go. Nice tune 2 made it into a star. Oh dear. Okay. We need to greatly increase our mass if we're gonna ever reach star. At least it looks like we're mostly hydrogen. Let's launch a row of different Peggies. Hey! The heck? Alt motion? Bring ya closer. Oh. Alt motion. I don't know which Peggy. Okay. Slurp, slurp. Okay. Need just a butt ton more. I don't want to cheat. Tell you what. Yeah, let's put a galaxy in here. That'll help. There's so many things. I love the sperm whale and petunias are in here. That makes me happy. What does that symbol mean? I don't know. Neptune, I guess. Uranus. Saturn. And I'm gonna add rings. Oops. Added rings to Peggy. That's fine. Why are they glowing? Is it the light from the supernova? It's probably the light from the supernova. Ooh. And a light flash and geosynchronous rings. Dude, there we go. Let's get some rings around that thing. Let's get this fragment. Back up here toward Peggy. So we can crash into Peggy. I guess we can launch a Venus. Oh, I don't want to put Venus inside it. That tends to lead to issues. Some Pegasus Bs. Jupiter. Saturn. Already did a Saturn, but that's fine. Let's take a random dust cloud. Planetize it. Okay. Guys, planetary accretion is hard. We're having a hard time staying... Oh, is that supernova coming towards me? Probably. Okay, let's actually speed this up. Actually, bring it back down. We multiply it by 10. So we try to get all this done. Oh no. Supernova. It do be expanding.
Take me back to the days when we were both okay. Baby, you know it wasn't yesterday. We lost track and we couldn't find a way. 'Cause I still love you. Ooh, I still want you. I still need you. Yeah, I still
I'm gonna stop saving random cloud planets now.
want you.
Except for that one. That one I'll save. Okay. guys. Supernova's getting closer. That's not a good thing. Supernova is so ominous. You mostly. Helium and oh, you're hydrogen. Oh, that's too many letters. Let's go with Bentivi. Supernova's getting awfully close, guys. Guess that's my fault for exploding some stars and expecting that things would be okay when I smashed a bunch of dwarf stars together. I think this is Peggy 4 now, technically. Oh god, it's so bright. It's coming to doom us all. Let's watch it get absolutely shredded by the freaking supernova. Oh, okay. Weirdly, it's solidified. All the clouds and rings and everything. So I guess this will be our Peggy 4. Shall we pass through the supernova unscathed? Or one of the binary, or one of the dwarf stars gonna get us? Will we even be able to tell? We're almost at 6 Jupiter masses and 2 1/4 Jupiter radii. Let's see, why is my cold butt? I have a random cold spot at a pole? Yes, it's a pole, technically. A spinny orange of death and pain, because temperature's cooling, but it's still miserable. We are deep inside that supernova now. That'd be a cool wallpaper, though. Can I do anything with this supernova? Besides delete it? Looks like I can't. Okay. Okay. Guess let's eat some more Jupiters. Don't want to eat any more hot Jupiters at it, because we won't be able to see. Although I guess they're in the supernova, so they're gonna be hot no matter what. Let's see if we can increase our mass. A nice pretty blue. Okay. Let's watch Peggy. Oh. Yep, we lost about a Jupiter's worth of mass. Oh dear. Okay, we're gonna save this one. And we're gonna switch to something new. New empty sim. And we going to start with a random main sequence star. Plunk it there. Sure, Nusta. Where is habitable zone? Where did Nusta go? Am I inside of it? Okay. And then, what we're gonna do... Random dust cloud. We're gonna put one too far in. Oops. No, we want them orbiting gig. Okay, one out here. One in the habitable zone. And one where it is too cold. Then we're going to boop them into planets. And not know where the rest of our thingies went. We're gonna increase the mass until it's roughly Earth-like. Dust cloud. Oops. Doop-a-doop boop boop. Boop 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 boop. Okay, that's really big. But that's fine. Now we're going to orbit Nusta. Orbit. Meet. I don't know why the habitable zone keeps shrinking and expanding. Makes it really hard to gather if it is in fact habitable. Okay. And we let it spin. Oh, we're losing one. It's becoming a comet. Hey. No, not you. Stay focused on Nusta. Okay, let's see what we got for orbital periods here. We have 10-hour days, 10-hour years, sorry. Oh boy. We got 10-hour, or 2.5-hour years. We got 7-day years. We got 14-day years. What the heck? Oh, it's a small star. Actually, how much is that in suns? Oh yeah, it's a very small star. Okay. Let's add some more dust cloud planets. Boop. 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 Just give it roughly an Earth size. Where are the others? Is that all of them now? Nope, still missed one. There we go. Oh, are you orbiting? Yes. Save as. Hey. Asteroid belt? I'm not sure that did anything. That's fine. Did it add them very close? Oh, they're way up there. Okay. Get some in very similar orbits. Let's check. So, looks like our furthest one... Actually, let's start with our closest one. Dust cloud. are going to stabilize temp. Still a spicy world. Edit surface. Oh. Let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ammonia. It's probably gonna be a gas, let's be real. Let's add an ammonian atmosphere that cannot smell good. It's a stinky world. Stinky, stinky world. Smells like liquid excrement. Okay. Equalize gas. It's a stinky planet. Okay. Equalize gas. Visuals. Yeah, we're not getting any vegetation here. Let's see. 36.3% Earth similarity. No chance of life as we know it. We know no magnetosphere. One moon radius. Magnetosphere, I guess. I'm at lunar distance. That might be too much. Half lunar distance magnetosphere. Okay, we can hide the magnetosphere though. Now we save Nusta 1. Nusta 1. Who has... Oh, I guess we should untidily lock it, actually. That would be a good idea. Let's see, rotational period. Okay. Times... 82 days. Actually, let's make them hours. 82 hours. Which means for every 8 Nusta years is a day. Okay. Let's save Nusta 1. That's not how to save Nusta 1. There we go. Nusta 1. Let's see, Nusta 2 is this one here. Hey! This can be where Oofdig is from. My alien, ops guy in Star Trek Online. Because he's not an actual Star Trek alien, so why not just use this as his system. Good thinking, me. Okay. Looks like Nusta 3 might be the only one, though. Nusta 2... Let's stabilize your temperature. It's pure silicate. Let's see. Rotational period. How many hours? 95 hours. That's even longer. Nope, not 95 days. 95 hours, please. Now. Oop. Wrong button. Where's the terraform button? Terraform button. And that was a D10. 10. Hydrogen. We get to add a lot of hydrogen to our planet. At least the hydrogen concentration is so rich that we're not going to have to worry about lighting a match because a match won't light. There we go. There we go. Let's get some of those hydrogen clouds. Equalize gas. Yeah. Silicate and hydrogen. Let's add some more. Casually adding hydrogen clouds. You know, I could have just done that. Oh yeah. Equalize gas. There we go. There's Nusta 2. Nusta 3 is out here. Come on. Okay, let's stabilize the temperature, please. Check its Earth-likedness, apart from it also being all silicate. Oh, 82.5%! We're not going to roll for what we add here. This is going to be the habitable one. We're going to add water. Earth ocean mass. 1. 2. What the heck? We need some oxygen too. Earth dry atmosphere mass. Let's give it a 0.8. Little liquid, equalize gas. Okay, what's our Earth likelihood? We're looking for something in the 50% or higher. If you have oxygen and you have water, guess I might need nitrogen. Let's give it 2 Martian atmospheres of nitrogen. Is that more Earth-like? Oh. Stabilize gas, stabilize temperature. Oh. That's a, that's a little close. Okay then, in that case, let's, looks like this is not going to be the habitable one. So let's ditch all these numbers. Okay, we can still leave the silicate. No, surface. Edit surface. Now we roll another d10. We are adding 1, 2, 3 carbon dioxide. It's gonna be a hot Venus, guys. Yeah. Why am I not seeing atmospheres? Oh. No? Okay. Ah. I see, because it's defaulting to blue, and then once I add more... Atmosphere? Yep, you don't want to go there. Nust 3. Let's see. Did I get... I didn't get rotational, so how many hours should that be? Nice. Not 69 days, 69 hours, please. The trashman. Finally saw them at the door. I mean, parking lot. Okay. Now, which one of you buggers is Nusta 4? Orbital distance. Okay. Pretty sure this is Nusta 4. Stabilize. Phases is not what I wanted. Stabilize temperature. Do you not have a functional surface? Oh, you have a very smooth surface. Smooth boy. Oh, this one's a little too cold. And by a little, I mean a lot. Oh, right. I know it. What is our Earth likeness? 83%. Not bad. Still pure silicate, but that's fine. Schwabba, 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 schwabba. Let's add some water. Earth ocean. We need more water. Dupe. Melt all. Okay. Is it a liquid? Oh. It is too much. There we go. Surface, set of liquid. Not bad.
I always get ignored. I don't exist. It's alright, I'm fine. I'm just
Liquid. Okay.
enjoying my life. When I'm with you, I can't move. It feels like I'm losing my mind.
Let's do that. Set of liquid. Yeah, that's decently earthish. It still doesn't have nearly as much water as Earth should, but that's okay. This mission's Earth atmospheres. Okay. Equalize gas. Yeah. Still don't have any life likelihood. Let's give it just a dash of CO2 for spice. Okay. Actually, what does our elevation map look like? Hey. You can have city lights and vegetation. Why is there a literal green belt? Hey, we're getting some ice caps. Our life likelihood? Does that change over this? Okay, I guess. Oh, we didn't do a rotational period yet. That's why. Like, why is it tidally locked? Hours. 94 hours? It's still a long day. It's not horrible. We still don't have any life likelihood, do we? Oh, yeah we do! 30%! Nice. Save. that is probably going to end in disaster with the differences being the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase this to 6. Now stuff 5. Gonna 7. Oh yeah, you're gonna be an 8. Okay. Just a 5. Let's stabilize ya. Ooh, smooth boy. Also pure silicate. Okay. What's your life likelihood? Bupkis. Okay. Edit Soifus. Hydrogen again. Shh. Why are you adding it as a liquid? I don't know. Why is it black? Settle liquid. Okay. Equalize gas. Okay. Motion. Let's see. Your year is 27 days. Oh boy. Maybe I should be using the D20, not the D%. "98-hour days." It shouldn't have been. Okay. Melt all, vaporize all, freeze all? Ooh, that was cool. I'm not sure which is correct, though. It's fine. We'll start it as liquid and see how it goes. Oh, that's a weird rotation. Okay. There's Nesta 5. There's Nesta 6. No. There you are. Light 2. Star the eye. Surface. Stabilize temperature. Ooh, rocket boy. Lumpy lad. It's a lumpy lad. Okay. Hey. 10. Again. This is a very hydrogen system. Doo-pa-doo-pa-doo-pa-doo-pa-doo-pa-doo-pa-doo. We plonk all our hydrogen here. And then we can say equalize gas instead of liquid. Rotational period. 64-hour days. Orbital period is a little over a month. Why are you rotating like that? I don't like it. Honestly, there's not much to... Oops. Not much else to do for Nesta 6. Just silicate and hydrogen. Actually. Save. Nesta 6. Okay, Nesta 7. Which of you... There it is. You're Nesta 7. Hey look, it comes with craters. Hey, let's see. We have a year of 1 1/3 months. So how long is our day? 68. Edit Soifus. Argon. Argon atmosphere. Interesting. I don't actually know the freezing point of argon, so I'm just gonna gas it up. And then equalize gas. Let it run for a little bit. Oh, I guess it froze. Okay, we're getting a weird argon belt. There's Nesta 8. Is it gonna be this one? Six, 7 AU. What went on? I know. Okay, this is Nesta 8. Another lumpy boy. First, let's get How long is our day? Because our year is just over a month. 58 hours. Hey! 3. Oxygen. Ooh. Pretty sure it's gonna be a liquid at this temperature. Boop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doo. Why is oxygen also black? That's actually quite a lot of oxygen. It's a very flammable planet. Right? I am gonna come back and resave them. Oh look. Stabilize temperature. Ooh. Throat just decided to rebel. Okay. Big planet. Okay. Let's see. Almost 3 months is our year here. 28 hours is our day. And it's Soifus. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nitrogen. Nitrogen atomus. Well, nitrogen lakes. Nitrogen lakes. Nitrogen lakes. Let's add more nitrogen. There we go. Done that for a little while. Oh, they're all doing the ugly spinach. It's a polka dot planet. Okay. Now we save Nusta. Yes. Let me go back to Nusta 1. Actually, did your orbits get messed up on some of these? It's Toasty Planet. With a weird circle center. But that's fine. Yep. Okay, we got some ice caps. On Nusta 2. Nesta 3 is weird, but okay. Nesta 4. We have ice caps? Not really. Okay. Why does it have the weird rings? I do not know. Oh, there's our data view. Interesting. Okay. Has the life likelihood changed at all? We were at 30-something%. Okay, 32% is decent. Nesta 5. Developing weird rings. Weird central belts. Eh. Okay.
What you gonna do with it?
Nesta 6. Let's run it for a little longer. Okay. Nesta 7. What is Nesta 8 doing? Oh. How do you look now? Still Dalmatian. Okay. You're developing a weird ice band. And you appear to be fine. Okay. Now comes the fun part. I must smash him. Just a little. Just a little. Just to, terraform. Smash a Shoemaker Levy and a Neowise. And a Halley. No. That thing. Oh. I wanted them to smash. Ugh. Your butt is still toasted. Okay. Maybe I need to do it even closer. Smash. Smash. That might be a mistake. Okay.
What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to
Early period orbital bombardment.
time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything.
Just to give it some flavor, some texture, some additional minerals.
Maybe it's 'cause it's not enough.
Okay. You know, I'm not sure that's actually doing much in the way of terraforming. Oh yes, launch a galaxy at it. That'll do the trick. You know what? I'm gonna launch a TARDIS. Oh, that's tiny. Okay. Yeah, let's launch some rocks. Orbital bombardment. Just so many of them. Okay. That's like doing nothing. It's because it's not a real planet and it's just a dust cloud. But that's like how it works. I don't want to smack a... Well... You know what? That's not a bad idea. I'm going to take random moons and smash them in. Random small moon. Boop. There we go. That's some terraforming. Boop. 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 Give it some character. Doop. Doop, 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 doop. Well, some of those hit. Some of them went goodness knows where. Doop. 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 Okay. Well, if they end up as part of the solar system, that's fine, I guess. Oh, are we peppering? Where's Nusta 2? Oh, further out still. Okay. Oh, let's center on Nusta, please. Let's click on Nusta 1. Okay, well, while that's spinning, let's look at the composition. Do we get anything else? Oh, we got some silicate, or we got some iron. Let's launch real moons at it, actually. While it's spinning. Phobos. Deimos. Deimos missed. Okay. Io. Oh, big splat from Io. Europa. Ganymede. Callisto. Mimas. Enceladus. Missed. Tethys. Also missed. Dione. Got it. Rhea. Titan. Iapetus, who has one of the more fun names to say. Titania. Triton. Charon. Namaka. It's tiny. Hyaka. So tiny. Dysnomia. Also tiny. Enceladus is just vibing there. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna select all these that are not part of Nesta. We'll delete them. So we need Nesta 1, so you stay. Dang it. It's fine. But this is why I saved them. Nasta 1 was around here. Where it got all smashified. Maybe some of these will come smash it now. Maybe? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Enceladus, you're gonna get close to Nasta 1. Like, really close. There we go. Okay, let's try this again. Look, we got some more dust clouds. Let's turn them into spherical bodies. Ish. You know what? Bye-bye. We can have a few little fragments flying around still, but... okay. Let's begin the bombardment all over again, shall we? Attack of the moons. Moon. Launch. Flat. Phobos. Close. Demos. I think missed. Io. Europa. Europa survived. Okay, Ganymede. Oh, okay. Callisto. Mimas. Enceladus. Tethys. Okay. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And the other ones really aren't worth it. Okay. Now, what does your elevation map look like this time? That is making me dizzy, so... Did it again. I did it again. And deleted... Oh, why am I... Ugh. I hate that. Anything that hits it, hits it. Just like a real solar system. Pulling things with my gravity, though. That's under overview, I think. No? Might be under motion. Okay, how is Triton still frozen? It shouldn't be frozen still. Nasta 1 again. And same with Europa. Anything named gets schlurped closer. Okay. Oh. Cookie. No. Okay, we got some hits. This is how I terraform in this game. I don't usually use the tools. I smack it with stuff. Just like real solar systems. This is dizzying. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Oh no. We are not going to do it like that. Cut down on some of that. Okay. Needed to go through another completely molten stage. Anyway, moving on to Nasta 2. Let's smack you with moons. Not stars. Moons. Moon! It's mostly for the spice of different minerals. And let's add a bunch of little rock particles. Boop. Boop 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 doop boop doop 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 doop. Those are probably doing F all. Random asteroids. Doop 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 boop 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 boop. 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 Too far away. Well, if they ever connect, that'll be something. My solar system is messy, and that's kind of the point. Derp, derp. Because real solar systems are a mess. Look, as long as my planets don't disintegrate, I think that's actually okay to leave. A big honkin' mess. You know what? Let's throw poop. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do ba do boop ba do boop boop ba do boop boop. Now, stabilize temperature. I do not know what happened to your surface, my homie. Except it got some intense clouds happening. Okay, let's turn these into bodies of sorts. Something went incredibly elliptical there. It's a big fragment. What the heck? Exploded. Anyway, my alarm is going to go off soon. And since I've had terrible insomnia recently, while this is uploading to YouTube, I think I'm going to try out, gasp, our gym. Don't expect to get much done out there, but I'm sure going to try. Anyway, thank you all for watching this little descent into physics madness and then back out again. And not sure what I'm going to be playing tomorrow. Probably Pokemon Shield. We'll see. Ooh, let me save it. It'd be a good thing to save. Toodaloo, live long and prosper.